Hot Wheels RC helicopter. I've done it again, haven't I? I've bought something stupid. You'd think I would learn from the incident that we had a while ago with the Hot Wheels racing drone. Where's it gone? Hit the road. It goes upward. Ah! 8, 10. I wish it could just stay in one place. Well, clearly not, because I saw this and I couldn't resist temptation and I have bought it. But it does say it's crash proof. So, hopefully this won't break like I broke the drone. Twice. Yeah. Not much to say really. Maybe we'll be impressed because the last purchase, the racing RC car, was actually, yeah, you know, it wasn't too bad. It was only mildly disappointing. It wasn't extremely disappointing. So, what does it say on the box? Has an LED light, apparently. That's pretty cool. I do like my LEDs. It's apparently easy to fly, which the drone really wasn't, so hopefully this one actually is. It charges off the handset, so that means you probably put like 15,000 AA batteries in that, and it'll charge a tiny little lithium polymer in that will last about 2 minutes, or about 30 seconds, something like that. Oh, it takes 4 AA's. Okay, that's not as bad as I expected. I was expecting about 6 to 8, but you know, there's still 4 of my hard-earned AA batteries because they're hard to come by. 2 channels, you can race 2 of them, which basically means you can race them somehow. How you race tiny helicopters, I'm not actually sure. Yeah, there's not actually a lot on the box to talk about, which is good because I always spend a lot of time talking about boxes and it's not interesting. So let's get right in and unbox it. It's got tape. Oh, it's got tape. Why has it got tape? Oh no, I've damaged the box, but I need a knife. Once again, I'm on my setup, which isn't finished, so the lighting's terrible. In fact, everything's terrible about the setup because it's not finished. Right. I can't wait to read the instructions, because if it's like the RC car, it'll be quite funny, because it'll basically say you can't use it. Oh, the box is so stiff, I can't get it. There we go. Get any sort of grip on it. Right, how does this come out then? Brute force and ignorance, probably. Ow, 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 ow. It's left a line in my finger which you can't see because light. Well, there's the box. There goes the box. Right, there's the helicopter. I suppose it feels quite... I reckon they'll break. The feet will break and then you can never land it properly again. Right, instructions. I would throw them out of the screen like I did last time, but I think we should actually have a look at this because these look complicated. Or we can turn the page and forget about it. This is just a different language. I'm sure we can figure it out. I was expecting it to say that you can't use it outside. So you have to like use it inside and then break all your mum's furniture or special, I don't know. You'd end up breaking something and then your parents would hate you for the rest of your life and never let it go. But anyway, it appears it doesn't say where you can and can't use it. Ah. There's the controller. Wow. Little charging cable. Why am I not allowed in anything anymore? And the helicopter itself. Right. So there's a little charging cable. Spare wings, which is good. But I mean, if it's unbreakable, then I shouldn't need the spare wings, should I? Again, very cheap feeling controller. But hey, it was 20 quid, so you know. A, B and C. So it seems to have 3 channels on this one. Very interesting. Wow. I wonder if this has any battery on it. Is that a switch? No. That's a switch. Wow, an LED has come on. It must have battery. Probably. Ah. Right. My controller needs batteries. Okay, so I successfully robbed the batteries from the RC car and put them in my controller. If you want to see the video for the RC car and the drone as well, I'll leave a link to them at the end of the video. So yeah, let's get these out of the way. Begin flying. So usually you turn the plane on to link these. I'm assuming it's like every other plane / drone. It'd be nice if I could actually turn the switch on. There you go. Usually you go up, down, and it connects. Yeah, but it's connected. Well, that was quite easy to realise, so, well, let's try fly it, I suppose. Okay, let's not hit that, because it will break instantly. No! Right, okay, it likes to go that way. We found that out. Whoa! Okay, right, we figured that out as well. How do we fly in left, right? No. Right, this is going brilliantly. How do we actually fly this? This isn't easy to control. You got the toggle there. That toggle makes it do the spinning, and then you got left and right. How are you supposed to do? What? Doesn't even work. Right. This isn't amusing anymore. I don't know how to fly this. Oh my god. No! Stop it. Whee! Woo-hoo! This is going to break very quickly. Why don't we change the camera angle and I'll try and actually fly this. I do apologise for my ugly room, but yeah, that's all I got to record in a minute. The plan is to hopefully not break this too soon, and then I'll fly it outside at some point. I was going to do it with the drone, but I broke it. No! No! Oh my god! No! Oh. Well, that was magic. Up. No, no. Why is it like the fan? Take 2 or 4, not sure now. But... Ah! That just crash landed miserably. Not near the cars. Don't damage the... What do these buttons even do? Literally, I swear the left and right buttons don't actually do anything. Might have to read the instructions, because I'm pretty sure these buttons aren't doing anything. There's nothing you can do. There's no forwards or backwards or anything on this. Charging from handset, fly. So I want the flying bit. So push up and down. So basically you go up and it goes forwards while you push it up. To go down you push down. To spin it around you do the left and right. And don't put your hand in the way of the signal. So once again I've brought some premium tut because you can't actually fly. It just goes forwards. So you can't even take off carefully, it just does that. Whoa! No! 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 Ah! Oh wow, you can see my Tonka thing down there. Oh no, it's got a mind of its own. Oi, 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 oi. Ah! Oh my god. I'm getting the hang of it. No, I hit. No, don't hit it. Don't hit the cars. No, no. Oh. Ow, it landed in my hand. Ow. It's just stopped working. It's crashed into my hand and now refuses to work. Well, I mean, it's just decided to work again, so we're all right. No, no. Oh, wait, hang on. Legit flying. This is me flying it, look. Oh. Woo! I've mastered it, look. Brilliant. No, 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 no. Woo! 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 No, a bit higher. Ah! Yeah! Uh-oh. Oh, that was fun. Hashtag quality YouTuber right here. Oh, seems to be better actually just firing it into the air. I think it's running out of battery, and by the reason I think that is because it's easier to control. It's a bit slower in how it moves. Whoa, that nearly knocked it out. No, the fan! Oh. Yeah, it's definitely running out of battery because that's full whack now and it's barely going up. It's actually easier when it's lower on battery. No! It's not going up at all! Oh, it must be. Right, full pelt. Yeah, it's going down. No! Oh dear. And so, there we have it for the Hot Wheels race helicopter. Which actually I didn't point out, it's called Shark Bite. And it has kind of the, that Hot Wheels car, fantasy car type thing there. But hey, it's not that interesting. But yeah, all in all, I don't know, it's okay. I still don't know whether the left and right buttons actually do anything because, well, it didn't say anything about calibrating them, so yeah, I don't think they really do anything. I don't know, I might have to play around a bit more. When I held it and pushed the buttons, it didn't seem to change anything. It didn't feel any different, it didn't make any different noises, so I don't know. They probably do something so minor that it doesn't affect it. It is a little bit better than I expected, I suppose. It got better near the end when the battery started to get a bit weaker. It was actually easier to fly. The biggest letdown is the fact that when you put it all the way forward, the plane doesn't take off then go forward. It'll just start doing that straight away. So you've got to like go really fast and it instantly goes up forward and hits something or hits the roof. You can't take it off softly and slowly. That is the biggest downside to this plane. Once you get it in the air, it's alright. If you have a big space, I'm sure it'll be fine. So the fact that I haven't actually broken it this time is good because it means we can take it outside and play around with it out there. But I guarantee you, if you take it out on a windy day, it'll just be gone. Woof, gone. And the thing is, if you can't control it, then it's very easy to lose something like this. You know, it's bound to go in the creepy next door neighbour's garden, not the nice next door neighbour's garden, so you're too scared to go and get it. Or, you know, it'll fly over somewhere and go in a pond or get run over in a road. You know, it's that sort of thing. I mean, it is only 20 quid to entertain the kids, but You don't really want something that's going to be crashing around your house, destroying everything. Yes, it's crash proof, but the things it crash into might not be crash into proof. But yeah, I guess that's all really. It's alright. For the price, can I complain? It's 20 quid. For me, that's a lot of money, but for most working people who have decent paid jobs, unlike me, they actually have that sort of money to spend on this. But yeah, I guess that's all. All in all, I guess I'm a little bit less disappointed than I was expecting to be. This is still by far my favourite, but I'm more biased to cars and stuff anyway, because I prefer cars. But yeah, who knows? Maybe we'll do something cool with this in future. I'm definitely going to take it outside and fly it around. Who knows? Maybe I'll buy another one or race them or something. We'll see. But for the fact that it hasn't broken for all the crashes it's had, and me flying it, and considering that this is just, broke multiple times, even though it's got a cage around the blades, I think it gets extra points for that. It definitely is crash proof, as we saw. The only issue is if you crash it and you hit the balancing posts out, it goes there and it crashes like a real helicopter. It goes woo. Well, that's all. I thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Hopefully there is some good shots in there somewhere, because who knows, this thing flew all over the place, so probably wasn't in shot half the time. Please leave your thoughts down below in the comments section. What do you think of this plane? Well, it's not a plane, it's a helicopter. What do you think of this helicopter? Would you buy one yourself? Do you think it's cool? And drop a like if you enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe for more Hot Wheels and other related content such as this coming soon. I'll see you in the next video, guys.